In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Export Database. To get started, open Airtable and navigate to the base or database that you want to export. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and looking at the right base before you begin, especially if you manage multiple projects. Since this process exports data table by table, it helps to quickly scan the base first so you know exactly which tables you'll need to save. Once you're inside the base, choose the first table you want to download. This is important because Airtable does not export an entire base as a single CSV file. Instead, each table needs to be exported separately. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct table so you don't end up saving the wrong data set. After that, open the view that contains the data you need. Views can affect what appears in your export, so this step matters more than people sometimes expect. If you're using a filtered view, for example, your CSV may only include the records shown in that view. If your goal is to back up everything, make sure you switch to a view that displays all the records you want included. Next, use the View menu and choose the option to download the data as a CSV file. Airtable will generate the export based on the table and view you currently have open. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically or prompt you to choose a save location. If possible, use clear file names so each export is easy to recognize later. From there, repeat the same process for every table in the database. Go table by table, open the appropriate view, and download a CSV for each one. Staying consistent here will make the backup much easier to organize, and it reduces the chance of accidentally missing an important table. As you export each file, save all of the CSVs in one folder. Keeping everything together makes the backup easier to manage and easier to locate later if you need to restore, review, or share the data. A single folder also helps you verify that every table has been exported before you finish. Finally, open the files and review them to confirm that the data exported correctly. Check that the CSVs aren't empty, that the expected columns are present, and that the records match what you saw in Airtable. This last review step is important because a backup is only useful if the data is complete and accurate. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Airtable database by saving each table as a CSV backup.